Previously on Trail Trash Garage.
We just picked up a 1988 to 98, 2000, somewhere in there with the 1500s, GL1500s. Goldwing. It's a little worse for wear. No, I didn't buy another project bike. I got too many in the garage now. So Bob dumped his Goldwing and I offered to get this bike on the road for him. Kind of look it over, fix what was broken and do some general maintenance to it to make it safe to go back on the road. I just hope that somebody would do that for me if I was in a pickle. I'm just trying to do the guy solid. I'm gonna try to get as much of the cosmetic damage fixed as I can, though. We'll see what kind of state we can give it back to Bob in, okay? Going over looking for damage, what we can see here is he's got both mirrors are damaged. So now this one's been knocked off and the other one's pretty messed up. Now, obviously this is a previous problem because Bob tried to fix this using some body filler and some other stuff that I've started to scrape off here. And you can see the residue of the silicone and stuff. So Bob's not a mechanic. He's a lot of things, but a mechanic now maybe. In Canada because a boot. A boot. Sorry. We got a bag of goodies for the Goldwing here. So as long-time watchers of my channel know, there's nothing you're going to be able to do with this kitty hair body, this coarse body fill. It doesn't hold. It's just not going to hold up to vibrations that you're going to have in plastic. The only thing that works is Plastifix or plastic welding. So we're going to go ahead and remove this as best we can. And we're going to get all these parts back together as best we can. And this is going to be a challenge to get these mirrors back where they need to be. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I'm up to the challenge. Yeah. Basically, what this is this one is broken too internally. But basically, there's a plastic ring, and this is the windshield adjustment, which obviously is not working. And then there's this rubber gasket that goes there. So that rubber gasket's there, it's fine, but he's tried to repair this with body fill and just it's not going to work. So we're going to Plastifix this back together. See, there's lots of chunks here. I know it looks impossible, but it can be done. It's slow, tedious work, and I've demonstrated how to use Plastifix on my channel before, so I don't know, like a long boring video of me doing Plastifix repair. I don't know, unless I do it ASMR style or something, I don't know.
Welcome to Jeff's Plastifix ASMR, where we'll start with some light mic sounds.
Hey guys, just a quick update. So, raw. We have mirrors. Yeah. Now we're missing the trim pieces here. I still got to clean up some glue and stuff here. The trim pieces I'll show you in a second, but the mirrors are on there. They're nice and sturdy. They're not coming off. There's no glue or weird stuff in there. It's just replace the hardware. I ended up rethreading the bracket that goes into the mirror itself. I ended up rethreading to an I think it was an M4, M3, and I got her out to an M5. So it's lots of beef holding it on. And here's the trim pieces. So they've seen better days. This one was literally, I'll post a picture here, I don't know, of what this looked like before. But it was in pieces. So Plastifixed everything. Yeah, then they'll be sanded back, and I don't know if I can match this paint or not. I'll look and see what the paint code is on the 88 wing. Some kind of metallic blue. We'll get close anyway. Ooh, there's Shop Dog. All right, so they're done. There's still, the paint's not quite dry. It's not that warm in here. If you look close, I mean, there's gobs of plastic. I couldn't really tell what I was sanding until I got them all one color. So, but they're going to get touched up with the blue paint anyway, if I can find paint. So they're going to go on for now just to reassemble the bike. So, but for now they're done. I'm going to revisit them after, but they're structurally sound again. They're all one color, so I can see what I'm doing when I do come to refinish them. I took the chrome grill off, and here's the grills that were there. They need just one more coat on top. They're just getting rusty. They fit basically in these holes on this chrome bezel. So boom, boom, and boom, boom. But this is metal, but these are plastic. So it's the little things on the back of it. Honda does this, and I hate it when they do it because they use these little posts, and they're these little push discs that are metal split, and you can't get them off without breaking them. So we're gonna come up with some other way to. Let's see, this one survived, but well, one was already broken off anyway, so it was rattling, which is another reason I want to get them off. So we'll have to come up with another way to fasten those up. Those grills, excuse me, I got a little bit of a frog in my throat. Again, here's the finished mirrors. I had put them on for a little bit there, but they're back off just because I'm doing stuff. So this bezel's off. As you can see, here's the bike. The windshield had to come off. The 1500s have a... Okay, where was I? Yeah. So this is a big rubber flap. Okay. And there's another rubber flap on the inside of that chrome bezel that goes over here. And basically when you pull this cam down, boom, it tightens that rubber against this rubber, and the windshield is sandwiched. And that's supposed to keep it, then you can manually move it up and down, and that's supposed to keep it in place, but it doesn't work that well. But in any case, I wanted to get this all cleaned up and working at least, you know, the way it was when it was new. All right, so, I've got we found a big old rat's nest in here, or mouse nest. I got that all sucked out and cleaned out. Here's some user-added wiring. Sorry, I don't know if Bob did that or whatnot, or if a previous owner had done that. There's a vacuum hose. It's not connected to anything. So that's it in a nutshell. No, I didn't film it all because it's just kind of just stripping off plastic. And there's videos out there about how to strip down a GL1500. And if there's any specific questions, just hit up in the comments and I'll answer them for you. So maybe I'll do. There's only one video I think doing that aux channel. There's still a few of these 1500s around, and I would think that doing an aux channel for a Bluetooth dongle would be a worthwhile upgrade to a lot of them, just to get Bluetooth connectivity for your iPhone or Android. Anyway, for Jeff, I'll catch you on the next video. You know we're in Canada because...
A boot! Not a boot. Sorry.